This is Kandee Johnson live from my bathroom with late breaking news. Yes, I am filming a video. Hi guys, it's Kandee and come on into my bathroom because we are going to do some my everyday quarantine makeup. Make sure to subscribe in case you forgot about me, unsubscribe to me, you've never seen me before, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, hit the little ding bell thing, ding bell, the bell, ding the bell, hit the bell if you want to be notified and see more of my videos. So I started off this quarantine not wearing any makeup, lots of moisturizer, and every day I was catching myself in the mirror being like, ah, ooh, who are you? Then the first time I put makeup on, I was like, oh, hello. There you are, that face I remember. Let's bring you back every day. And I remembered the power of makeup. The very reason that I became a makeup artist, for the feeling of confidence and unlocking your inner beauty to come out and shine because you're not frightened when you look into the mirror and maybe your blotchy red skin. So have no fear because I am here to show you a quick, yes, I timed it. It took me 7 minutes to do this. It will probably take longer today because I'm going to be talking and telling you guys steps along the way, but this is going to be a do-along makeup tutorial with me. Also, in the comments below, let me know what video you'd like to see from me next. I was gonna do a decluttering of my makeup table, meet my boyfriend video, some DIY craft projects, some motivational Monday. Leave that in the comments below. I'm gonna tell you guys all the makeup that you're going to need. I'll do a quick pause on the video. You can go grab everything, come back and hit play, and come and play with me and do makeup together with your good friend, Kandee. Let's get started. You are going to need your favorite foundation and or concealer. Next, you're gonna need blush. I'm using a peachy tone and a pink tone. Any eyeshadow palettes that have any nude or neutral eye colors and maybe a deeper browner or gray shade. Any black pencil eyeliner, your very favorite brow product of the moment, your favorite loose translucent powder, an eyelash curler, and mascara. Lip liners in any warm, nude, rosy, mauve nude color. Some nude and pinky matte lip colors. Now these are extra steps, but you will want to get these products out if you want to follow along with me, or you can just skip them also. Some cream contour color, also powder contour colors, and any of your favorite highlighters. And no matter what you have going on during your day, sometimes even just doing a little routine that you're familiar with, like putting your makeup on, it just feels like a little therapeutic. Put a little music that you love to listen to that makes you happy. I have flowers. If you can spare any extra dollars, if you even buy some cheap flowers at the store, it'll just make your room smell great and you feel great. And it becomes like a little therapeutic bubble of your day and you feel better afterwards. So I'm just using exactly what I've been using every day. So these are the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealers. I like a little bit more coverage, so this works out as an awesome foundation. So I'm gonna start with the lightest color in light beige. And I just go along the jawline, the chin, down the nose. I do around the nose in the light color, right below the brows, right there. And you can go under here for some concealing. Now you just take your beauty blender and press this light color in and dab it all around. So as you press it into the skin, it just kind of spreads and goes outward toward the outer edges. Then I'm gonna go in with my mid-tone, which is Honey, and I just do kind of in like the area where you would put a little bit of contour and blend right here. I should clip this hair out of the way. This is gonna get annoying, I can feel. And then you just blend this and make sure you go into the hairline. I'm gonna clip this hair back because this is gonna drive me crazy. Oh, and always make sure that you blend from your jawline down onto your neck and onto the front of your ear. Now, you could be done here and ready to go to Powder Town, but if you wanna do extra step, or this is just what I do every day, I'm gonna be using my cream contour. So this is RCMA. So this is just a flat concealer brush, and you can tell I like this guy a lot, so I normally get a little bit of him, a little bit of him, and then I'm just going to, I just wiggle it. You can watch, I have a whole video on how to conceal, like I think I called it a professional makeup artist or like an artist or something. I'll put a link if you want to watch it. Maybe I should just redo and do an updated one. But then you're just gonna go here like where you do the corner of the mouth up to the ear. And I mean, I'm not like precise. I'm just like doing it like I'm just painting because you're gonna blend it in. And then I kind of go right here above the crease where you would do like some contouring with shadow, but I just do it with here. It saves a step and it's fast. And then I do under the lip. You can make your lower lip look much bigger. I do the little Marilyn Monroe V-tip under the nose. And then I know some people are sick of nose contouring, but I just do it. It's just part of like doing my face. You can see the lines already make it look like my nose is straighter or more symmetrical. I never do the crazy nose contouring. And then I like to do this little trick right here where you do this curved line, and it just makes the nose look more like buttony and round. So I just do a little bit of this, blend that, and then we're gonna blend it away with our beauty blender. And again, you're pushing it into the skin. You're not dragging it, you're pressing it into the skin. And then into the hairline, go like this. You can come down here towards the corner of the lip a little bit. And again, I'll probably redo like a whole separate contour video. And then just dab this around the eyes. We'll fix all the, what we did around the nose. Just soften that edge a little bit, even right there. Ooh, almost forgot that under there. That would have been weird looking. Okay, so this just gives dimension, contour, some color to your face. It's gonna look weird because it's gonna look bright right there, but I promise you that's gonna look better once we do our powder. Now, I just put a little translucent powder in the lid, and then I just like to just do a light dusting, not like any baking or caking or anything that's gonna make your skin all dried out and crackly. This is just gonna be light, just setting. You're just setting it so it stays in place. I mean, you may just be home watching movies or doing laundry or organizing or whatever, but you still don't want your makeup melting off. So we just do light powdering like this. And now it's time to go to Blush Town. So I love using a peach blush. This is number 22 from Makeup Forever. And I just press it on here, and then I just do a little bit like stenciling. You just kind of stenciling a little rosy flush. I kind of go like here, so it looks like you have a little bit of color, like you've been going outside, even though we're inside, maybe you're going in your backyard. And then I like to use like a brighter pink color. This is Doll Face from Tarte, and then that just adds a little bit of glow. So whatever your favorite peach or pinky glowy color is. An old school favorite is also Stay Pretty from MAC. I'm pretty sure it's discontinued, but it's a great color. So it just gives like a wash, a flush of color. Now, this is also an extra step. This may be too extra for some people, but I'm just telling you, this is like part of what I'm doing, so I'll just show you anyway. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. This guy fell out and broke. Don't be mean to him. He's just trying to stay in there. So I get a little small blendy guy like this. I just dab him here, and I just basically go over the same place I went with the cream. So this just like really locks it in and adds some more color. If your translucent powder kind of knocked down some of the contouring that it did, and it just like sucks in the face when you do this. It just frames the edges. So here I do some like pre-eyeshadow blending. I just mix these. You can use a bronzer, whatever you have. And I just kind of go in the outer crease like that, and then just go on an upward lift. You always want to, so it gives like a more lifted look. Just do a little bit of that, like, oh, we got a little pre-contouring already. You can do under the lip if you feel you want to. Sometimes I'll grab this Bdellium tool. It is brush 118. I believe this is like a special, this is a special effects brush, but you could use any brush from the craft store, anything like this will work. And you can go ahead and do the little under the nose blending if you want to. I go right down the sides of the nose like that, and you can blend right, you do this little arch. Basically the same exact thing that you did with the cream. You're just doing it again. Okay, now we're going to Fast Eyeshadow Town. This is gonna be so fast. So you can use any palette you want. This is the Viseart Libertine palette. I'm basically just grabbing any light color, the lightest of like flesh tone color for whatever your skin tone is. And you just wanna go on the inner corners of the eye, sweep underneath here. Super easy and fast. I'm gonna take my trusty old Ben Nye Theatrical Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is so great. And you're just gonna take a little dome-shaped smudgy brush or any little flat brush that you have. And you can also use the contour color or bronzer color you were using. And I just take this, even this little taupey gray color, and you're just gonna go right underneath the outer corner of the eye. This just adds like a little bit of definition to the lash line. And if you want, you can take the same color combo and do a little bit in the outer corner of the eye, just the very outer little V corner right here. Like you're going up into a crease, or if you don't have a crease, just push it up onto your skin to fake a little crease. And just soften this. It just gives like a little bit of natural dimension because we're not going to do too much to the eye. Like so. Now you just want to get your favorite black eyeliner pencil. I'm using the Huda Beauty Lifeliner. I'm just using the eyeliner. You can use any black eyeliner. And what you want to do is you can just go right on top of the outer corner of the lash line and then drag it in. And it doesn't matter if it's perfect because we're just going to go in with a shadow and blend it too. So just kind of like scrub it around, like right where the lashes are coming out of your eyelid. And this is where you're gonna take any black eyeshadow that you have in your angled brush, and you're just going to press it down on top of where you just put the eyeshadow. And then as you work on the outer corner, once some of the eyeshadows come off, I just go in and press it in like exactly on the flesh part where your eyelashes are growing out. So it just gives some depth and dimension there before you put your mascara on. So you can see here there's just a little bit more definition, like a soft definition without looking like a bunch of crazy eyeliner. And it was kind of just like wobbly and messy before, and we just put some eyeshadow on top. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this eye. And again, I'm just pushing it right onto where we put the eyeliner. And then once the bulk of the eyeshadow comes off of the brush, I just gently go in right where like as if the powder has gotten on your lashes and you're making it dark again. Push it and press it and rub it back and forth like that. One key tip is you want to make sure that this line doesn't come down past the corner of this lower lash right here, or it'll give you like a real sad look like this. So you want to make sure you stop right above where he curls up. This is where you stop with your eyelinering you did. Now it's eyelash curling time. So we just wiggle our lashes on in there, give them a good count to 10 on each eye. And this makes the biggest difference in doing your mascara. Now I'm using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and I'm gonna do several coats, starting on the bottom, do both eyes. And then I also like to coat the top, so I like put my chin up and look down so that I know that mascara isn't gonna get on the tops. I'm also doing this really far away into the camera viewfinder, so I think I'm getting close to my lashes. Okay, now while this coat of mascara is drying before we move to Lower Lash Town, I'm gonna go ahead and do the brows. This is an essential. Even if you just put a little bit of concealer and do your brows, that right there is gonna be a game changer. So you can use your favorite product, but I'm gonna be using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. And what I love about this is it has this little diamond shape. Can you see that diamond shape? They also make another one, and this is the Precisely My Brow, but the tip is so fine. It takes much more time to perfect it because it's more drawing, where this is just really, really fast. So I'll show you how quickly we do this. I just basically like to follow the top line of my brow, and then I also do the bottom. And then I do straight up right here. And then just fill him in. I fill this in. You can make this more curved or rounded. And then I go up here to this arch right here. And then you just follow him down. And I extend a little bit past where my hair goes, just because like an elongated brow is a more attractive shape. And you can make this more angled. You can make this more rounded. Today I'm going to go with an arch but slightly rounded. And I'm just going to fill him in like so. And boom, look how much better this brow looks. Like this whole face looks framed and shaped, where this one just looks like, We're gonna do the same thing. We go right under the bottom line right there. I'm also gonna go on the top line. I'm going to pull down a little bit past where my actual tail of my brow is. And then I just fill in everything in between. And then right here, I just do a little bit of straight up. You can do whatever shape you like. I just like a more angled, old, classic Hollywood, like a pinup kind of brow. And then you can just take the spoolie end and just brush the brows up and down, or whichever direction you want to drive your eyebrows for the day. Perfect! Now we're just going to take our mascara again and do our lower lashes. So I just like to press them in and kind of push it in and wiggle. Okay, now for the lips. You can use any nude color that you want. I'm gonna be using a combo of Milkshake from Anastasia Beverly Hills with Sydney from NYX Soft Matte Cream. So any nude that you have that you love, I just put that on. I press them together. I kind of blend it out with my finger, like so. And then I want this to be like a little pinkier, so I'm just gonna take the NYX and put it right on top. And just blend it with your finger, just like press it out. And then you can take any nude lip liner. I have Rimmel in Addiction is a good option for drugstore. Or I've been loving this color from NARS. It's called Hyeris. I'm probably saying that totally wrong. So you just want to, I always overline the lips, but after you've got it's a matte lip color that I put on so it stays in place. I just start lining the lower lip. I can't talk while I do this. I fill in the corners. I need to sharpen this guy. He is too dull. That is perfect. I don't like them too sharp or you get like a really fine line. So we're gonna go ahead and line the top lip, and I like to make sure we concentrate on the Cupid's bow right here. Like this. And then I draw outside. I overline always. See, you can see all this like terrible rashy bumpy stuff. And lip liner instantly makes it look like your lips are bigger. Now we've gotten to the very last step. This is also extra. You don't have to add this on, but this is just what I'm doing. This is the Too Faced Sugar Peach palette. I dropped it and all the colors fell out except for the one color I love, which is Peach Pearl. So I just take a really fluffy brush and I just dust it on the tip of the nose. Not the crazy nose tip highlighting that you see, where this just gives like a little bit of highlight like you would to the face, but balancing it out with the nose. I hit underneath the brows. You could do the Cupid's bow if you want. And then I'll just do a little light dusting right here on the top of the cheekbones. And I did this whole thing in 7 minutes, you guys. So when you're not talking, you can do it really, really fast. And there is your super fast, or my super fast, everyday quarantine look. You guys, I even tried to put some waves in my hair for you because I'm not trying to do that any other day, but I was trying to jazz it up because, you know, it's more on like the internet and stuff, so it's more than just me around my house. If you guys do this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see your everyday quarantine look version that you guys did. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see next. I was thinking of doing like my makeup table organization and decluttering that might be fun, some other little DIY projects and some quick makeup things, some makeup reviews. I bought some at-home eyelash extension kits that I would like to try and see if they even work. And everybody wanted to see a nighttime skincare routine from me, so let me know what you guys would like to see next. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. And as always, huge hugs from my bathroom to yours. You're more beautiful than you know. You're more talented than you think. And you are more loved and brave and amazing than you have any clue. I am sending you the biggest hugs. This arm, give a wiggle. That's from me to you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Or if you go follow me on Instagram, you'll see me there every few hours. Bye!